Breaking news, catastrophic XRP crash and manipulation exposed. Today, April 2nd, 2024, the cryptocurrency market faces a catastrophic meltdown as XRP plunges by 5.5%, leaving retail traders reeling in its wake. Reports suggest insider manipulation by Vincenzo's gold crypto investing group, sending shockwaves through the industry. Live on the scene is Artie Lang, a 469-pound reporter fueled by bourbon, as he paints a vivid picture of the chaos unfolding on the streets. The Bitcoin battlefield witnessed heavy bombardment from sellers, plummeting below the critical $66,669 mark, down 6.69%, he reports. In the midst of this turmoil, cries for justice and objectivity ring out. Join the movement to combat manipulation and restore integrity to the market. See, members unite against manipulators, declares a defiant voice amidst the chaos. Amidst the chaos, Jackie the Joke Man Martling endorses Vincenzo's gold crypto investing, proclaiming, "I want more money, you're cheap Jew."
Emergency broadcast from Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing #1. Yes, Jabroni Killer members. XRP Insider and YouTube influencer was built on truth and integrity, and those market manipulators and those criminal gangsters that have fleeced, heisted, and shysted have struck again in an orchestrated and facilitated and executed flawlessly manner, have sliced, diced, and walked away with the hard-earned fucking money. Yes, we're talking about you, the retail trader. 6.44% down, $4,475 and falling to $65,199. It's breached to $66,000 to the downside. XLM is down 5%. Down to 12 at 0.8 cents. L goes down 7.5% to 0.23. H-bar, XRP, and AMP down 5.76%, 4.25%. XRP slips below. I know there's a huge for badging. That's why I was trying to do this before today, but you fucks don't pay it. 4.69 respectively, and the coins are crashing. The market manipulation is strong, and the force is not with the retail investors and traders, as the market is getting slaughtered, as the gold and silver bullion market is skyrocketing. The B2 gold, we have nearly 2,000 shares, is going up. Kinross Gold, 400 shares, climbing. Pan America Silver is going up. First Majestic Silver, a couple of hundred shares, is up better than 30% since the purchase a month ago. Fortuna Silver is on the rise, and the rest of the silver and gold bullion market is on the rise, and the coins are crashing as the manipulation and the fleece heisting and shysting is commencing. And we told you on April 1st, on April Fools, otherwise known as yesterday, on this soggy, overcast blizzard developing in the Great Lakes, the great state of Michigan and the Upper Peninsula, specifically the Marquette region, for my great listeners and followers. Shout out to Marquette, Michigan, and the UP, the Upper Peninsula, the Upers, the Canadian neighbors to the south. We have a major winter storm as we have a major market manipulation and shift with a blizzard in the Upper Peninsula and eastern Wisconsin, Green Bay, Madison. Be on the lookout, just like the XRP, the XLM, the Algo, and the H-bar are all crashing today in a manipulated and an orchestrated fashion to fleece, heist, and shice, as a rounding top was noticed in this rising channel that we've seen and diagnosed and detected that is often a bullish continuation pattern. But a rounding top, as noticed, as the buyers or the bulls become exhausted and the sellers or the bears are going to take over the market, and the price is going to come down. And that's exactly what it did. It came down and then initially bounced off the 200-day and the 4-hour time frame, and then got hugely rejected. Now we've slipped that critical 66,355.92 that we talked about yesterday, and we have a V line, a V shape, and an objective target of 61,175.02, and that cannot be stressed enough, because if we break that 61,175.02, we come straight down to 44,182.70, and if we slip that, we come into this major VP volume indicator, which is a major traded range, a major area of support, a major area of resistance when you're coming from below, and it starts out at 38,196.66, and the bottom part of that is 30,398.84, and that's a major support resistance level. But that's a major drop, that's a major capitulation, and that's a major fleece heisting and shysting of, if we do come down, a better than a 33.338% decline bull market correction or a start of a bear market to as much as greater than 43.08%. And those are what we're watching. And that's what you need to stay on top of. Just like we took the Bitcoin ETF inverse to sell his crypto. And this is the way old Vincenzo keeps his XLM. Doesn't use leverage, doesn't get liquidated, has no risk of that while trying to stack your bags and increase your portfolio. As Bitcoin corrects, you buy a couple of $1,000 or a couple of hundred shares worth of VITI, the inverse or the short ETF to Bitcoin, thinking Bitcoin might have a correction, and then you make money as Bitcoin goes down. And then when you think and stack and add in to your accumulation, to your bags that you have, and your other crypto based off not selling and the money you made by just putting in some money into BITI, the inverse or the short ETF, betting on the price of Bitcoin going down. And what I'm playing out here is I bought in at $7.58 and I'm playing up into this green trading box, which would be 125 to 150% return, 150% return, and that would take $2,000 and turn it into $4,500, and I would sell it up somewhere into here, and not the green trading zone, the $14 to $15 range, right up into here, this major trading area that has resistance up here. That's what we're playing, this quick reverse pump back to the upside, which there could even get an over exuberance of buyers, and we could even see a $30 in the next couple of weeks BITI if the price of Bitcoin continues to decline in an orchestrated, manipulated plan to fleece, heist, and shiest the retail trader just when they were all in. The XRP is another coin that we all care about. I care about, you care about. It's been rejected. It's had the triple top rejection. First, back in July of 2023, the manipulation, the orchestration, the Judge Torres, the news, and the buyers, and then it manipulated, dump to the downside, slaughtered. Then it gets some hopium, slaughtered, new buyers, slaughtered. And then the market manipulation, the fleece heisters and shysters had you buying up here, had you selling down here, right? And this is the way it goes. I'm an XRP and all the rest of crypto. This is the way the orchestration and manipulation works. You have the big pump, the 100% one-day move. Gets all the retail traders in there, gets all the buyers in there, gets the momentum, and gets the uneducated and the easily manipulated, the paid charlatans, heisters, and hooligans that are out there on YouTube, and then they dump on them. And then the retail trader buys from the institutions and the smart money down here that they bought. They sell to the retail trader up here. The retail trader gets beat down 75-80% the next 2 to 3 weeks. The retail trader capitulates down here because they can't take it anymore, and they sell back to the same guys they bought from. Those guys bought down here and sold to the retail trader up here. The retail trader sold to the smart money down here and the market manipulators. And then the market manipulators ride the pump, sell to the retail traders again just to crash them as they take the short end of that, crash it down, do it again, knowing that the retail trader will only buy on hype, will only buy on momentum, and will only buy when the price looks like it's going to break out and they don't want to miss out. And then they get fleece heisted and shysted by high pressure sales tactics on YouTube, on social media, from powerful influencers backed by million and billionaires, and orchestrated, executed flawlessly by a gang, an institutional gang of criminal gangsters. And if we fail to hold this, we're going to come down to the bottom part of this rising channel, just like the Bitcoin price is at 59 cents. If we slip that, which we're on the verge of, we're coming down to 49 cents. If we slip the 49 cents, can I hear a once? Do I have any buyers twice? No! And then we come all the way back down into that 37 cents, a critical support and resistance level that has been there for the better part of 2 years. You can see that. And if we can't hold the 37 cents, if the buyers can't hold, which I expect initial buyers that could pump it all the way up into these overhead moving averages that are going to be descending to just get rejected by the overhead moving averages, retest at 37 cents. And if we can't hold that 37 cents going once, if we can't hold that 37 cents on the buys going twice, if we can't hold it on a triple bottom, we get flushed down to the next major support VP volume indicator that starts at 32 cents and goes down to 29 cents. And it's a major range that we talked about from way far back left machine, starting in April of 2022 and ending on the big breakout, the initial breakout, the initial pump, the initial momentum, and the initial thrust that got the retail traders back in. at the end of March of 2023. Like, subscribe, and share on this volatile. Rivian, April 2nd, start of the shutdown. Peace and love to my lovely, beautiful, glowing, gorgeous audience. Yeah.